Yeah, so now we have to see कि what is this keyword. This keyword की सबसे पहले तुम लोग लिख लो definition. Write a definition of this keyword. This refers to the current calling object. Clear? Now you just have to remember this definition and your whole concept of this will be clear. This refers to the current calling object. So like we have, like in on this example only, we have a data member, that is we have a variable here int a. Clear? We also have int a here. Clear? There are two variables a. One variable belongs to the function and one variable belongs to the class. So to differentiate between the class and now if we will create an object, so we have two things now. This belongs to the class and this belongs to the variable. Then how can we differentiate between the class variable and the object variable? To differentiate between the class of variable and the object variable, we use this keyword. This keyword refers to the current calling object. So if I do like this dot a equal to 45. Yeah. So this refers to the function. The this which belongs to the function. Clear? Because this refers to the current calling object. The current calling object is the function itself. This is the use of this keyword. So like suppose we have an example here. We have two classes, int role in that is the data member, and then we have public void in int role. We have this function in, right? In we have two things, role. We have a parameter role. Now we have to assign the value of role to this role. Clear? Because this role belongs to the function and this role belongs to the class. So how can we do this? If we'll do role equal to role, the Java will get confused कि हम लोग किस role की बात कर रहे हो. The Java will get confused कि we are talking about which role. So to make this understanding more, to make this thing understand to Java, what we use this keyword. This keyword refers to the current calling object. What will this keyword do? This keyword will refer to the current calling object. जिस object को हम लोग create करेंगे उस object के variable की ये this keyword बात कर रहा होगा. Clear? So here what will happen? This function variable जो ये function का आया, ये function का variable इस case में ये है, and ये role ये कौन सा object का है, ये जाके object में चला गया. And I think मैंने last slide में तुम लोग को उल्टा बता दिया था, so उसके लिए sorry. An object will be the copy of the class. An object will have the same structure as that of this class. Therefore, the object will have the same data members and the same data from methods as of this class. Therefore, whenever we'll pass a parameter to it, then that will be the local, that will be a parameter to the function. That will be a parameter to the function, but the variables of the class will be the object variables, right? So to differentiate between the object variable and the parameters or the local variables, what we are using, the this keyword. If we use the this keyword here, we use the this keyword here. This keyword refers to the current calling object. Our definition says what is the current calling object? The variables of the current calling object. The variables of the current calling object means this role. So here this keyword refers to this role. Clear? Here this keyword refers to this role, and automatically this role will become of the function itself. ये local variable खुद ही फिर हो जाएगा. Clear? So here if I write it more clearly, so this is role 1, this is role 1, this is role 2, and this is role 2. Here the Java might get confused कि कौन सा role कौन सा है, 1 2 2 1 ऐसा हो सकता है, पर एक्चुअली में क्या है, ये बाहर वाला 1 है and ये वाला 2 है. Clear?